Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at SHOT Show, and I just had to stop by the Steyr booth to feature the A2MF. This is the new pistol that is creating a lot of buzz. Very excited. I'm a huge Steyr fan. I know a lot of you guys are huge Steyr fans, and the good news is they didn't change too much. Those who love the trigger, that remains the same. Those who love the feel of the gun, that changed a little bit, but for the better, because we have a interchangeable grip panel and back straps to custom fit your hand size, and check out that texturing. Very much different there. It does come with a full 1913 rail and extended beaver tail, along with aftermarket support. And that was one of the things that people said. You know, I'm actually a fan of the trapezoidal sights, but there are other people who want the 3-dot sights. They want night sights. Steyr's been working hard with aftermarket companies to get that type of support they've been looking for, and they're going to have it with the A2MF. The internals are essentially the same, but the one thing that is different is that the trigger group is serialized, not the frame. Now, the previous models, the frame was serialized under the dust cover, not with this model. So here it is, the A2MF. Very excited to get this in my hands, and I think Steyr did a great job with this, and it certainly does feel nice. Many of you are wondering what the MF stands for. That stands for modular frame. Steyr was the first to create the modular frame, and they're definitely keeping that going with this MF. This will be available in the C series, the M, and the L series of Steyr pistols. One more thing, the extension of the beaver tail allows for a little more control of the gun when gripping, when firing, managing that recoil. And I tell you what, I'm a huge Steyr fan, and even more now with this, and I look forward to getting this on the range and featuring it and showing you guys everything that it's capable of. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.